Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to work with email drafts on Google Docs in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Docs on your PC. Step 2. At the top left corner of the Google Docs interface, click on Insert, then navigate to Building Blocks and select Email Draft. Step 3. To add recipients in the To field, type at and search your contacts or manually type out the email addresses. Step 4. You can now add a subject line, write the text in the email body, and format your draft using the various formatting options available in Google Docs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to work with email drafts on Google Docs in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to compose and format your emails in a more versatile and convenient environment. Remember, using Google Docs for email drafts can be particularly helpful when you want to collaborate with others, make use of advanced formatting options, or simply prefer the Google Docs interface for drafting your emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.